Yo, what is going on, everybody? It's your boy E46 Source here. Today I'm about to be putting a new radio on my car. As y'all know from previous videos, I have Logic 7 in my car, and I just want to bring to you this product that should allow you to add any aftermarket radio to your Logic 7 car. If you go around the internet, there's no answers for this. I'm surprised there's no videos on YouTube. There's not even people talking about it on forums. It's this little device that you can buy right here. If you go on YouTube, most people who put aftermarket radios in their car have to relocate the head unit. This is the unit that came out of the dash, the professional CD player. They either have to put the head unit in the trunk. I've seen some people mount it up under the steering wheel. And if they have like 7 series where the armrest is a whole lot bigger, they put it down in the armrest. Because of this fiber optical cable, you have to have it plugged into the radio for you to get any sound. It's a long story. You can look at other YouTubes on that. I'm not going to get into it. I'm bringing you a video on how you can get around it. This unit right here turns your fiber optical connection into right and left audio so that you can hook it up to any unit. Right now I'm putting the EN9 head unit in. I'm not going to do an installation tutorial on that because they're all over YouTube. I just want to bring you a video on this unit right here. I'm going to try to put the link to where you can buy this down in the description if I don't forget. Hopefully it works. So I'm gonna get everything hooked up, and then we're gonna see if it works. And what you do is, once you take your radio connection out, you see this fiber optical cable right here. You just pull it out of the wiring harness, and it goes down into this unit right here, and then it turns into a regular AV cable that you can hook up to anything from that point. So let me get this hooked up, and we're gonna see how she do. Alright guys, so I got the radio installed into the car. As you can hear, it's working fine. Sounds good. So I have found a way to hook up your Logic 7 unit to an aftermarket radio. This is not a review on this radio. I'm going to have a full review and tell you all the features that come with this radio at a later time and date. Right now, I'm just reviewing the Avin unit that allows you to hook up an aftermarket radio to your Logic 7 car. So guys, please do me a favor. There seems to be no answers out there on the internet. They're very hid. So if y'all are on these forums, these BMW forums, these E90 forums, please do me a favor. Link this video, share this video on those forums to help people out, because I see too many people having to put the CD player in the armrest, in the trunk, and all different kind of locations just to hook up an aftermarket radio when there's answers out there. They're just not being talked about. So share this video, share. Let's help our E90 brothers out. Like I said, everything's hooked in. It sounds great. This radio is fantastic, but it's not a review on that. I can't wait to make a review on this to show you all the things that I have hooked up to it. It's awesome. But yeah, I'm going to put the link to the Avin unit down in the in the description below. And let's get it, guys. This is your boy E46 Source, and I'm out. Yo guys, I'm back one more time. I just wanted to clear up something. I was going back looking through the video of the last little clip that I made, showing you everything's working, and I noticed that I kept calling the unit a Avin unit. It is not Avin, it's Avin. I don't want you to get the two confused, because Avin actually does make the same part, but they claim that it only works with their radio. It probably works with all other radios. They just saying that to make you get their radio instead of you going out and buying like an EN9 like I have. But I just want to clear that up. It's not Avin. I know I kept saying that in the last clip, but it's called Avin. I just want to clear that up so that you're not looking for the wrong parts and stuff. I apologize. Anyway, this your boy Ant, and I'm out.